Is your mini split AC unit not cooling as well as it used to? Are your electricity bills higher than normal? Could be as easy as a dirty condenser. Cleaning your AC condenser is essential for optimal performance, lower energy costs, and preventing system failure. In this video, we'll show you how to easily clean your mini split AC condenser and save money, along with getting 10 or more degrees cooler in the summer, as well as warmer in the winter. For a more thorough clean, you'll need to remove the top cover. Turn off the power. Locate and remove all the screws holding the cover in place. Be careful, some screws might be hidden. Now, use an AC-rated foaming cleaner like this one that I highly recommend. I'll have all links in the description for you. Spray the cleaner generously onto the inside coils, making sure to cover all areas. This cleaner will help to loosen dirt and grime. Let the cleaner sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Since you don't do this very often, take your time and do it right. This is cheap maintenance and can add years to your mini split system. After the cleaner has sat, rinse the unit thoroughly with a garden hose. If you remove the cover, work from the inside out and top down to flush out all the dirt and cleaner. If you didn't remove the cover, you can still rinse it from the outside, but it won't be as effective for units that haven't been cleaned in a long time. Replace the cover, making sure all the screws are properly tightened. Allow the unit to dry for at least an hour before turning the power back on. Cleaning your mini split AC condenser is a simple DIY task that can save you around $400 to $600, which is the typical cost of a professional cleaning service. Regular cleaning, ideally twice a year for full-time use, or at least once a year, will keep your unit running efficiently and extend its lifespan. Coming next is a great way to clean the inside air handlers. Yes, they should be cleaned regularly too, and I will show you the proper way to clean those. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I post that video. Thanks for watching.